Yes, people, welcome to Loaded Cannon, AlbertJTV fan cam. Arsenal 3, Bournemouth 2. Jesus Christ, man, football. How can you not love this game? My voice is absolutely gone. This is not going to be a long fan cam. This team has got some unbelievable bottle, man. Jesus Christ, man. 2-0 down. We can see so many goals at home, Arsenal community. We make it hard for ourselves. We've got a fantastic home record, but we had to dig very, very deep. I thought if Arsenal, let me try and get some composure. First goal conceded in 9 seconds. Wow, what a poor start. Dominated possession. Didn't really create many opportunities in the first half. Sucker punch with the goal to go 2-0 down. Poor marking. If we can get that goal to make it 2-1, it is game time. It's like a Rocky Balboa movie, man. Seriously. Get the goal for 2-2. Ben White. First goal for Arsenal. Arsenal showed some serious heart, cojones, die-hard attitude. Unbelievable. And Reece Nelson absolutely changed that game. Maybe he should have come on earlier in hindsight, but my God, unbelievable. We win that game 3-2. We maintain the momentum. I'm gone. I'm not going to leave a long fan cam. Arsenal community. Thomas Partey second half. Jesus Christ, man. What a midfielder that guy is. Listen, Arsenal gained a massive 3 points at home today. We make it hard for ourselves at home, but trust me, we showed some cojones, like I said, man. 5 points clear at the top. We send a massive message to our title rivals in the Premier League. This team is here to stay. We are coming for this league title. That is AlbertJTV over and out for Loaded Cannon fan cam. Come on, you Gunners!